In this video, we will show how easy it is to place an application developed on our no-code builder into your own domain name. This allows your user to only see your own domain while working with the application you developed. Start by opening the application that you want to be accessible from your own domain. Now, open App Settings. We see that the app is ready. Go to tab called Access Info. Over here you see what needs to be done on Mobsted side. Tell our system what internet address will your users see. In our example it will be login as subdomain, and justbekindApp.com as domain. As you type, our system shows what needs to be done for the next step. You need to open up your domain management account and add 2C names into it. As an example, we show how adding 2C names will look like in a Cloudflare account. OK. Press I am done button in Mobsted. Our system will take time to check everything. Then just open up the address to make sure it works. We are done. Thanks for watching. Please be sure to like this video. You can read on the helps article on this which is linked below, or contact us if you need more help.